Hi, my name is Benny Chang. I'm a freshman at Harvard College living in Stoughton Hall, and I intend on concentrating in computer science. And this is my website, musicELO. So this is a music ranking website which ranks songs of a certain artist using the ELO system and inputted information from all users. So from the homepage where we are at now, users can choose from a list of currently popular artists drawn from online, or search for an artist by typing their name, which has kind of an autocorrect system. So for example, if I want to find songs by Kanye West, I can type Kanye. And now we're on the loading screen. This is going to take a second because it's gathering information online, which allows for their discography to be updated instantly. And here we are now. As you can see, we are at the select song page, and you can either skip or choose a song. So let's say I choose a song. As you can see, it adds it to the list if it doesn't exist and updates its ELO if it already does. And I can do this over and over again, and theoretically, with a lot of users doing this, it could create a coherent list of the musician's best songs. Now, if I want to select another musician, I can click the logo to go back home. Or alternatively, if I know the correct name of the artist, I can directly go to their page. And this is going to take a little bit to load, obviously. And it's not going to load a loading screen also. But there you go. And it's as simple as that. So simple and intuitive.